Next, plane angle. Plane angle is the angle made at the intersection of two straight lines or intersection of two planes. The plane angle, to form an angle in plane. Okay, the two plane meeting one point, that is intersection, to made an angle, that is plane angle. The SI unit of plane angle is radian. Underline the word radian. The denoted rad, R-A-D, rad. Okay, this is plane angle. Okay, this is one plane, this is one plane. Okay, the meeting point is here, plane angle. That's all. The radian is the angle subtended at the center of a circle by an arc whose length is equal to the radius of the circle. The radius, this is one circle, this is a radian, this is radian. Radian is the angle subtended at the center of a circle by an arc. ஒரு சர்க்கிளில் வரக்கூடிய ஆர்க், that is the radius, that is radian. The formula pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Already we know the circle having 360 degree, but now this only radian is 180. So the pi radian equal to 180. So 1 radian, the pi will come to down. The pi will come to down. So 180 degree divided by pi. What is the value of pi? 3.14. That's all. Next, solid angle. Solid angle is the angle formed by 3 or more planes. Plane angle, 2 planes, but solid angle, 3 or more planes intersecting at a common point, that is solid angle. For example, cone. Okay, it can also be defined as the angle formed at the vertex of the cone. The SI unit of solid angle is stradian. Underline the word stradian, denoted SR. What is the SI unit of plane angle? Radian. It's denoted rad, R-A-D, rad. Okay, here what is the SI unit of solid angle? Stradian, denoted SR. The stradian is the solid angle at the center of the sphere subtended by a portion whose surface area is equal to the square of the radius of sphere. This is one stradian because of 3 plane intersection the point. The cone is a 3D dimension. Okay, so the 3 planes cut the one point, that is 3 plane intersection, that is the solid angle. Okay, then until the 1995, plane angle and solid angle were classified under the supplementary quantities. These two quantities are supplementary quantities. In 1995 they were shifted to derived quantities. Supplementary இருந்தது, derived quantities change ஆயிடுச்சு in 1995. You know the difference between plane angle and solid angle. Easily tell. The plane angle is the 2 plane intersections. Okay, the solid angle 3 or more planes intersection. Then solid plane angle is unit is radian. Solid angle unit is stradian. Plane angle is 2 dimension, solid angle is 3 dimension. That's all. First one, it is the angle made at the point of intersection of 2 lines or planes. Okay, the main word is 2. Here it is the angle by the intersection of 3 or more planes at the common point. It is a 2-dimensional. It is a 3-dimensional. It is a unit is radian. It is the unit is stradian. Okay, are you understand? The solid angle and plane angle is the derived quantities. Okay, this is one book back question, Roman letter 7th Roman 7th question. Okay, now take page number 9. The fourth one, luminous intensity in the intensity of dash. The laser light, UV light, visible light, IR light. Answer is visible light because of the umpire check the photometer. Okay, so it is a visible light. That's all. Choose the best answer. Next, fill in the blanks. The solid angle is measured in, yes, steradian. The spelling is STERADIAN. I will send the photocopy, so don't worry. The solid angle is measured in steradian. Next, the coldness or hotness of a substance is expressed by temperature. It is expressed by temperature. Then third one, dash is used to measure electric current. Ammeter. Answer is ammeter. Next is seventh one, the intersection of two straight lines give us plane angle. Seventh one is plane angle. The first one, the solid angle is measured in steradian. The coldness or hotness of a substance is expressed by temperature. Then third one, ammeter is used to measure electric current. Okay. Then 1 mole of substance contains dash atoms or molecules. The Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 power 23. Okay. Then the seventh one, the intersection of two straight lines give us plane angle. Okay. Next, true or false? True or false? First one, temperature is the measure of total kinetic energy of the particles in a system. This is wrong because the temperature is the measure of average kinetic energy. That is correct answer. So the answer is false. The correct answer is average kinetic energy. Then second one, if 1 coulomb of charge is flowing in 1 minute is called ampere. This is also false because if 1 coulomb of charge is flowing in a 1 second, 1 second is called ampere. Then third one, amount of substance given number of particles present in a substance. That is correct. Then fourth one, intensity of light coming a candle is approximately equal to 1 candela. This is also correct, true. Then sixth one, angle formed at the top of cone is an example of plane angle. False because the top of the cone is 3D dimension. So that is solid angle. This is correct answer. We have to write in our book. Okay dears. Next, match the following. Temperature. The answer is measure of hotness or coldness. Then second one, plane angle. The plane angle formed the intersection of two planes. So here answer. Solid angle, the angle formed intersection of 3 or more angles. That is solid angle. That's all. Okay dears, mark in your book. Use pencil, mark in your book. Choose the best answer, fill in the blanks and true or false. Question answer, everything. I will give a photos. So you have to write in our book. Okay. Next, 7th Roman. First question already mark it. Second question, name the 3 scales of the temperature. Page number 3. We take page number 3. Here Celsius, Fahrenheit, Kelvin are the most commonly used scales to measure temperature. Okay, then 7th Roman, second question. The next third question, define ampere. Define ampere. Here one coulomb of charge is flowing through the conductor in 1 second. Then the amount of current flowing is said to be a 1 ampere. Up to this one, mark it. 7th Roman, third question. Then what is electric current? Page number 4. This fully 7th Roman, 4th question. The next 5th question. What do you mean by luminous intensity? What do you mean by luminous intensity? Page number 4. The measure of the power of the emitted light by a light source in a particular direction per unit solid angle is called as luminous intensity. Up to this one. 7th Roman, 5th question. Okay. Next, define mole. Define mole. Page number 4. 7th Roman, 6th question. Next 7th Roman, 7th question. Difference between plane angle and solid angle. This one. 7th Roman, 7th question. Okay students, the 7th Roman fully finished. Mark the question answer in our book. I will send the photos, question with the answer, mark it. Okay dears, if you have any doubt, ask me. Compulsory attend the teachment. Okay, thank you students.